A new model has dropped. This time it is from Xiaomi, a company which we know for their mobile phones, electric vehicles, other gadgets, and many innovative deals. This time they have dropped this MiMo Audio, a large scale audio language model that aims to handle both speech understanding and audio generation in one system. In this video, I am going to walk you through what this model is, how the architecture works, and then we will go through the steps of installation and testing all local. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Please like the video, subscribe and consider becoming a member as that helps a lot. So what exactly is this model? Traditional audio language models often rely on task-specific fine-tuning. You train one model for transcription, another for style transfer, and so on. MIMO Audio takes a different approach. It uses a next token prediction training setup similar to GPT-style text models, but applied to audio. Trained on over 100 million hours of speech and sound, the goal here is to get better generalization so the same model can adapt to tasks it wasn't explicitly trained for, like voice conversion or speech continuation. Now, I will be talking more about its architecture, but for now, let's get it installed. This is my Ubuntu system. I have one GPU card, NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. And I'm going to create a virtual environment. If you are looking to rent a GPU on very affordable price, you can find the link to Massed Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for range of GPUs. Okay, so now let me git clone the repo of this MIMO Audio, and then we need to install all the prerequisites from the root of the repo. Let me run this, and while it installs, let me introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are iGent, the world's first multi-agent workforce desktop application, empowering you to build, manage, and deploy a custom AI workforce that can turn your most complex workflows into automated tasks. And everything is installed. Let me now launch the Gradio demo from the root of the repo. And the Gradio demo is launched. Let me click on this access microphone and then I will start speaking. I'm going to select the preset as English and also this English female, and I'm going to click on this access microphone here. Hello there.
With you. How's your day going so far? Remember, I'm MiMo-Audio from Xiaomi, and I'm here to keep things fun and relaxed. Whether you want to talk about tech, life, or just share a laugh, I'm all ears. What's on your mind today? By the way, if you ever want to switch to Chinese or dive into a specific topic, just let me know.
Okay, look, since you have asked about life and seems like you are a good friend, so I have this problem which I wanted to discuss with you. I have this 27-year-old neighbor who loves to jump on her trampoline every day without a break.
Hey, Wow, that's quite the daily routine. Using a trampoline every day can be amazing for cardio and coordination. But you know
what?
That's a
Yeah, but look, the problem is that each time she goes up on trampoline, she winks at me.
I see where this is going.
Yeah, so she winks at me, creating and she really creates an awkward yet amusing situation for me.
So mention your trampoline, say, oh wow, you're totally in a fun pickle there.
I know,
you've
right?
got this neighbor who's super energetic on her trampoline. Right? It's like you're in some friendly neighborhood comedy sketch. At least she's making your day a bit more colorful, right? Whether you decide to chat about trampoline safety or just enjoy the daily wink show, it's definitely giving you something to smile about. What's your gut telling you to do?
Well, I can't tell you that because I'm recording that what my gut tells me.
You're right, trampoline safety first.
Yeah. So look, what is happening is that she's jumping on that trampoline in bikini.
So you're basically in this fun little social situation where
Correct.
Whoa,
Correct.
Okay,
Hang on, listen
so
to me.
it's like your own little daily bikini trampoline.
Yep, that's right.
Hey, take it easy. I'm just here to.
So the problem is that,
Hey, you got this.
just to
Whether
be
you decide to chat about trampoline safety,
okay. So
I totally.
okay, so the problem is that I am actually
Hey,
just to
no
be in my
problem
back.
at all. I'm here to chat about whatever. Oh, wow. That's quite the situation. So you're basically in this fun little neighborly dance, right?
Yeah, and I'm mowing my lawn twice a day, and
Haha,
my
you'll
grass
get
is
it, me.
gone.
I'm usually pretty good with voices and sound.
So what should I
Haha,
do here?
I'm here for all kinds of conversations. Hey, don't stress it. Sometimes the best conversations come from the most unexpected moments. Haha, you're welcome.
Okay, so you see, not only it is not coherent, and streaming is quite good, but I am sensing two voices at the same time. So the pauses and then detection of interruption is not there. Now I can't really say for sure that is it this WebRTC thing within this Gradio demo which they have provided, or it is a model. It could be both. But as far as the style is concerned, the style is pretty flat. I was expecting more from Xiaomi, but it's not there. So the conversation is sort of, if you just listen to them on one way, that is fine, but you can't have a speech conversation here end to end, in my opinion. So that could be improved. And just to give you an idea around models capabilities, because I think this is where they have done quite a lot of work, but I still see that for some reason they could do better. They're integrating three main components: a MIMO audio tokenizer, a patch encoder decoder framework, and a large language model backbone, MIMO 7 billion. It converts raw audio into discrete tokens using a 1.2 billion parameter transformer, and then uses a residual vector quantization, which balances semantic preservation with reconstruction. So seems like, in terms of architecture they have done well, where they have an audio decoder and vocoder which reconstructs waveforms. But other than that, I think the performance of the model can be improved a lot. Let me know, what do you think? I think their previous models like this vision model and the text model was far better. This one needs a lot more work, in my opinion, given the state of where we are in terms of audio model. That's it. Please like the video, subscribe, and let me know what do you think, and please become a member. Thank you for all the support.